Hello sirs, mums, ladies and gents, how are you? Hope you're well. If you're not aware, but we're doing a couple of videos over the next couple of days, certainly all the way up to Christmas, just maybe to give you an idea about some Christmas presents, just in case you've forgotten something for your beloved one, or your partner, that is. So we mentioned about a sound bomb. If you're not aware of what a sound bomb is, it's quite a bigger horn than the standard OEM ones that you get on your bike. They can produce, as an OEM, they can produce anything from 70 to 100 decibels. And certainly what I feel personally is that you should be able to be seen and heard on a motorbike. Whilst the exhaust can do a lot of engine noise, unfortunately the noise is going that way. What we want to be able to do is project noise in front of us if something's about to happen, and just let the person in front of us know that we're there. So Denali Soundbomb, if you go and get there's 3 different types, and we'll put some of those up now, but a mini, you got a Soundbomb split. A mini does 113 decibels, but if you go all the way up to the big boy, to the big horn, is 130 decibels. Is it 130? 120. Apologies. 130 decibels. If you do have a BMW though, and you want to conceal the horn somewhere, usually on a GS it's underneath the forks, same as an RT as well, you'll need one of these brackets. One of these brackets is approximately £24 up to £28. It does depend what bike you have. We don't just do them for BMWs, but we also do it for the Honda Africa Twins or the CRF FAL 11 FAL, etc. The brackets really sturdy, powder coated, etc. Very nice. They come with a set of instructions and come with some bolts. Again, all available on the website. Prices range from £23, but certainly a must if you want to keep that horn kind of like concealed away and nice and tight to the bike. Certainly a must from us. Anyway, Merry Christmas, have a good one. Thank you very much.